First look of Redmi Note 9 Pro. Hey guys, so, Xiaomi has started teasing the launch of its next Redmi smartphone in India. The official Redmi Twitter handle has revealed that the Redmi Note 9 will launch in India on March 12. But due to the COVID-19 outbreak, its announcement will be live-streamed across its social channels as there won't be an offline unveil event. Like the predecessor Redmi Note 8 series, the Note 9 lineup reportedly includes Note 9 and Note 9 Pro. Redmi India's tweet is also accompanied by an image which shows a quad-camera setup. This could indicate that the phone comes with 4 cameras at the back. Xiaomi's #Pro Cameras Max Performance also tells us that cameras will be one of the main highlights of the upcoming phone. Redmi previously posted a teaser video for the Note 9 starring Indian actor Ranveer Singh. In the video, the actor asks Xiaomi's global VP Manu Kumar Jain about the launch of the phone. Responding to that tweet, Jain tweeted out an image asking his followers to spot the Redmi Note 9 in it. If you look closely, there's a blue-colored phone hidden under a newspaper in Jain's image. However, all we can see of the phone is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C port, and a speaker grill. With a week remaining for its launch, the Redmi Note 9 Pro has been spotted on Geekbench with some key specs. The Redmi Note 9 Pro is equipped with 6GB of RAM, and the device is pre-installed with Android 10. In the single-core test of Geekbench 5, the Redmi Note 5 Pro scored 569, whereas it recorded a score of 1755 in the multi-core test. Recently, the 8GB RAM edition of the Realme 6 Pro smartphone was spotted on Geekbench 5 with similar benchmarking scores. The Realme 6 Pro is already debuted as the first ever phone with Snapdragon 720G. There is a possibility that the same SoC could be driving the Redmi Note 9 Pro. The other expected features of the Note 9 Pro are 22.5 watts fast charging, quad rear cameras, and gaming capabilities. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Sony Xperia 5 Plus. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.